Welcome to the Faculty Engineering, where innovation begins. Have you ever looked at the bridge, a skyscraper, or a dam, and wondered how this is even possible? Welcome to the world of civil engineering, the heart of infrastructure, the soul of progress. At civil engineering, learning doesn't stop in the classroom. We explore, experiment, and engineer solutions in our specialized laboratories. As future engineers, we don't just build structure, we build safety, sustainability, and dream for generations to come. So, if you dream of building a better world, stronger, safer, and more sustainable, then civil engineering at Chandrawasi University is the path for you. Join us and be part of the hands that build the world.